Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I just showed you guys the ballerina kit from My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube and on Facebook. So now I'm just going to put you all on time lapse and start using my glossy accents and my stickles here, just so I can get some like glitter or dimension extra added to these beautiful digital images. So I will put you on that and I will see you all at the end. Okay guys, so I added some of my stickles and my gold glitter paint that I picked up from Dollar General, and also some glossy accents. I put a little bit of glossy accents on the wand, the handle, and also on the mirror. Ooh, yeah, can you see that? So I only put it on the gray area, but that's what that looks like. I also wanted to show you what they look like here. I put some glossy accents on the mirror here also, but look at all the glitter. Oh gosh, I don't know how to show you guys. There it is. Very pretty. And also on the castle you can see a lot of the gold flecks. There you go, there it is. See the gold flecks from that gold paint. And the stickles, you can feel the dimension on the paper. The glossy accents is very smooth, and I let them all dry like overnight. You can see on her little sash the flowers. They have glitter also. There you go. Very pretty. And then the stickles have all the glitter. You can obviously see the glitter on those. So that's what I did. So I'm going to now cut these up, and then we can really see the effects on them. Okay, so I took some of my crepe paper and sewed it into like a ribbon, folded ribbon, and I just added some of my glitter, the iridescent clear glitter that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I put some on my rosettes using the hot glue gun method that I believe it was either Buzzin' with V or Beady Bum Bum, which the two of them I get confused, but it was from one of those ladies, the two of them. And I went around the little rosette and it looks like hard candy, guys. It just looks so pretty. This is what the ribbon looks like. Look at all that. And I was just waiting for my Memory DEX to dry because I glued it onto the cardstock that I printed up. Let me just replace this. Let me see if my Memory DEX is dry. Yep, I just put it under a paper pad so that it could help it dry flat. And now I'm gonna cut it out. So I'm gonna put you on timeline. I created. This Memory DEX, I used the glossy accents. I added more glossy accents actually to the cut parts. And so I put the glossy accents on the wheels, that's extra, and then some on the flowers here on the characters. And then I added glossy accents also to the little steeple tops. I don't know if that's even what it's called, but I added to the tops and just added to the wheels also. Okay, and you saw I added the crepe paper to the bottom to cover up the extra gap that I have here that I painted with my chalk paint. I also added the diamond glitter. It's not glass, it's plastic. And I don't know if you guys can see the shape of the glitter. The glare is really hard to show, but you can see that. And then I took one of the cut aparts, the bow. I added it to the top of the carriage. There. I also added some of the flowers that is also a part of the ephemera. Okay, and then in the background you have the castle, which is right here. You can see it. And I popped them up onto some foam tape so that the girl is standing above or away from the background. The other two are just flat. Okay, so that's what this looks like. Oh, and then the back, I just covered it with one of the printable papers and made a little card to hide my information, and I used some Velcro from Dollar Tree just to hold that down. I didn't do anything else to the back because I really, really love this paper, this print. Okay, so that's what the front looks like, and that is my Memory DEX that I created with the digital kit. I also created a wand. So one of my rosettes, I made a rosette with the crepe paper like this. So this is what it looked like when I created it. I added the hot glue to the edges, and that's where you can see the glitter again. I added it to the edges. I think it was Buzzin' with V that did the edging with the glitter using hot glue. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then I just took some more of the scraps from the same printout that I covered the back of my memory decks right here, and I put a sticker because it needed a word or some kind of encouraging word. So I took the sticker from my Dollar Tree stash. Everybody's used them. They're all over YouTube. Just one of the words from that. And I made a little pennant or flag out of the scrap and stuck it there. These little gold flowers are from Hobby Lobby, and they're beads. And I hauled them a while back. So this is what it looks like. They're actual beads. Okay. I do have other beads, which I put on top of her crown. It looks like this. It's a different bead. Let me show you the difference. So this one looks like a star, and this one is more of a flower. Okay. So those are the two that I used. I was playing around with the others, but it just wasn't looking right. All right, and then I took some of the tulle from Walmart, and it has a little bit of iridescent glitter in it. You guys can see the glitter right there. Okay. And I went around the back edges. Oh wait. So this is stickles that's outlined in her dress. There's the gold glitter in the flowers. Everything is sparkly now, so it's kind of hard to tell. I put stickles on her bows, on her feet, and on her shoes. Okay, and then there's the tulle, and this is just a Walmart paper straw that I've had in my stash. So I took the tulle and glued it to the back. I added a piece of the cutout. I just punched a circle from the printout, just like that. Okay, that's what I did. And I used some rickrack from my stash to cover up the raw edges, because I should have put this between the crepe paper rosette and the circle punch. That's what I should have done, but I didn't, and I had to cover up the edge somehow. So I tried to put this as center as possible, but you know, it doesn't always come out the way I want. But that is it, guys. My project share for, my craft with me. I know it did a lot of crazy stuff, but there's my wand and my little Memory DEX card using all of the, well, not all, but majority of the digital kit. I cannot speak. I don't know. Maybe I'm hungry. Oh, and then these beads I was going to use to add to a dangle, to some kind of a charm, maybe just to add a dangle from my Memory DEX card, but we'll see. I don't know how it's looking, but yeah, that'll be on another project. I'll see you all in the next video.